I absolutely don't wish to scare you, but as we speak, you are probably enjoying the unwanted company of these guys. Yes, the annoying dust mites. Dust mites can produce allergens and give you terrible allergies, sometimes even asthma. They thrive in dusty and unclean environments and feed on stuff, such as dead skin cells. That's why it is so important to regularly wash your blankets, bed sheets, pillow covers, upholstery, etc. It is equally important to vacuum your carpet and go for steam cleaning occasionally. Some people suggest removing carpets altogether from your house to minimize your exposure to these creepy creatures, and that makes perfect sense. Cleaning a wooden floor, or a floor made up of concrete, is easier than cleaning a filthy carpet. Do you have dust mite allergy or asthma? What do you do to keep your house clean? Let us know.